Are you looking for a thorough and comfortable welding fume extraction system for small teams? The high vacuum extraction plant, VacuFil 500 by Kemper, enables automatic welding fume extraction for up to 4 workstations. Particularly flexible is the use of integral extraction torches, as the welding torch of integral extraction removes the need for repositioning. Unlike extraction arms, users can weld uninterrupted and leave behind a smoke-free environment. The plant is suited for continuous use with large quantities of smoke and dust thanks to its automatic filter cleaning. A side channel compressor for vacuum generation ensures efficiency for industrial users. Depending on the degree of saturation, the filter cleaning is controlled automatically by differential pressure during ongoing operation using compressed air. The pressure container is also integrated, as well as a 40-liter dust collection container. In addition to up to 4 individual stations, there is also the option to connect to a central duct system, depending on the model. This allows the connection of funnel nozzles, slotted nozzles, or high vacuum extraction arms. Operation with a welding robot is also possible. As a further variation, we offer a system of automatic volume flow adjustment. This ensures that the required vacuum for extraction always remains constant, no matter how many workstations are in operation. The optional automatic stop-start unit, in combination with the welding equipment, completes the system with regards to energy saving and comfort of the user. Do you have any questions regarding high-volume extraction plants for your production? Contact us. We are happy to help. Kemper, the right partner for extraction technology and occupational safety.